Hi, this is PR Sundar. So welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about a strategy, and also I want to review my strategy which I shared earlier. So just for a recap, last year September month I had a conference in Dubai, Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Dubai. That was on September 28, 29, 30, 3 days. So in front of the audience, I took a trade, I shared with all the audience, and then later, 2 to 3 weeks later, so I was invited as a speaker in a conference in Bangkok. So there also I shared the same strategy. So that strategy, if you want to know, you just go to YouTube, type PR Sundar Bangkok. Not for the wrong reason, for the right reason. So if you have not seen that video, you can watch the video here. So in that video, so I explained what is the strategy I have taken. So the number one, the strategy I did was a call ratio. So what is a call ratio? You buy a call and sell 2 or 3 calls on the higher side, so to finance that payment. Because we are option sellers, not option buyers. So we don't buy options. That too, for 6 months, 1 year long-term option, if you buy, the premium tend to be very, very high. You can't pay so much money from your pocket. So we finance it by selling further out of the money calls, 2 lots or 3 lots. Okay, so now let me show you that strategy. I've just this is YouTube. You can see here I also searched PR Sundar Bangkok. So that's why I got this video. So I moved that video for about 2 minutes 16 seconds. Okay. So you can see here very clearly I bought 16,000 call option 1 lot and sold 20,000 call option 2 lots. Okay. Maybe for the beginners, let me tell you again. So this is a long-term option. I took the trade in 29th or 30th of September last year for this year December expiry. So that means typically the expiry is about 15 months away, right? And many people say, sir, why are you talking about next year December option, sir? NSE introduced everyday expiry. Monday mid-cap Nifty expiry, Tuesday Fin Nifty expiry, Wednesday Bank Nifty expiry, Thursday Nifty expiry, and Friday now Sensex option expiry. Sir, we want to make money every day, sir. So to them I tell you, the money making process should be a boring process. It should not be an exciting process, right? So I don't have much time to talk about those things. Maybe I'll come out with another video. So here I'm showing you how I made money slowly, steadily, without any tension. No stop loss, no targets, that kind of things. Okay. So what I did actually, I bought one 16,000 call for which I paid roughly about 2,400 rupees, and I sold 20,000 call 2 lots for 700 rupees. So 2,400 minus 1,400, I still 1,000 rupees short. Okay, what I did actually, 13,000 put option I sold 3 lots. Okay, now it is reflecting only 1 lot because by the time I went to Bangkok conference, the market moved significantly higher. My sold put option 285 rupees has come to 70 rupees. I closed 2 lots and then sold 15 because by that time I became confident. Market has become bullish. I sold 15,000 put option. Okay, so leave aside all these things. Assume that I sold 3 lots of put option because now I was confident Nifty is not going to fall below 13,000. So I collected about 900 rupees from 13,000 put option, 1,400 rupees from 20,000 call option. So the total was around 2,300 rupees. But whereas the bought option was 2,450. I actually paid about 150 rupees from my pocket. So that's a small money, so it's not an issue. And not only that, even if the market goes to 16,000, okay, still the next year December option prices will be trading at a huge premium. So 150 rupees is okay. Now, right now, what has happened to that you see here, this is the option chain from the NSE website. So the 13,000 put option I sold, okay, it closed around 2 rupees. Sold at 285, now 2 rupees. And second thing, the 16,000 call option, now it is 4,000 rupees. Bought for 2,450, now 3,960. So 1,500 rupees profit in the call option buy. 20,000 call option, which was sold at 700 rupees. Now it's only about 235 rupees. See my 13,000 put option, I made approximately 3 into 300, 900 rupees profit. And 20,000 call option sold at 700, now it's about 250. So 450 is a profit. So 2 times 450 is a profit, 900 profit. So there 900, here 900, 1,800 plus 16,000 call which I bought for 2,400, now it's about 4,000, 1,500 profit. So the total profit is about 3,300 points. So that is close to around 1.65, 1.7 lakh rupees per strategy. Okay. So here you look at the beauty. You made money in buy option also, you made money in sell call option also, you made money in sell put option also. So why I am showing you this data, this video, first thing is, we have to, how to say, we have made something good, we have to popularize it, right? So, self-price, okay. So we need to self-price sometimes. So that is one objective. Second objective, I am just showing you, okay, in India, I think I heard, huge, like I think 70-80% of the trade happens only in intraday. And there are people, you one day gain, one day lose, at the end of the day, people don't make significant money. So that's what the SEBI report says. But this kind of strategies, you don't make money overnight, you don't make money in 1 week or 10 days, but slowly and steadily you make money over a longer period of time. Okay. Now, however, so some disclaimer or some caution I have to give. Number one, I am not a SEBI registered person. So this is what I did last year. Even I just showed you the profit as of now, but actually I closed this position because in between, the SEBI ban came for me. I was not allowed to trade. So I closed all my positions. So I have not captured this full profit. And second thing, any options that you are trading, where the expiry is beyond 9 months, you remember you have to pay roughly about 50,000 rupees extra margin money for each lot. Of course, only for sell side, not for the buy side. So because, as per SEBI rule, the margin is different if the expiry is less than 9 months and margin is higher if the expiry is more than 9 months. And then another thing, so it has so happened that, so we are in a sweet spot. I bought 16,000 call, sold 20,000 call. So now market is closer to 20,000. So it's extremely lucky. It doesn't mean that you will get the same kind of profit. And last but not least, okay, it is not necessary that you will always make profit. Market could have gone to 7,000, 8,000 also on the downside. Your 13,000 put option would have given trouble. Or the market could have gone to like you bought 16,000, sold 20,000, double the quantity. So you are safe only up to 22,000. The market could have gone to 24,000 or 25,000. So if that happens, and how you do the adjustments. Okay, so that is beyond the scope of this video. So that's what we teach in our workshops. Okay, here I showed you one thing, so I sold 13,000 put. When I became so confident, I moved it to 15,000. Later I could have moved to 16,000, 17,000, so that way I could have made more profit than what was originally projected. But however, there is a risk. You remember, risk is a risk, and So either you should know how to adjust your positions or you should know when to get out of the position. And usually my standard rule for getting out of my position is when VIX crosses 30, or now one more I have to add, when the SEBI ban comes to you. So when the SEBI ban came to me, I exited all my positions, or otherwise I would have exited when the VIX crosses 30. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Maybe next video I'll come out with some suggestion for next year ratio spreads. So thank you for watching. Bye.